change your diaper. I know, but you're wet. I know, it's such a sad situation, isn't it? Is it sad? Are you mad that I had to put you down and change your butt? I know. Oh.
Mom, he's the cutest thing ever.
Look at that baby. He's so mad. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm changing his diaper. Oh.
Diana.
Oh.
He has a little poo-poo.
Thank you for that, Missy.
I saw that little poop.
Good to know.
Sometimes it's a big poop.
What?
Big poop bigger than your face, Nina.